Now, I've talked about omega-3 fatty acids being in salmon, cod liver oil, seafood, fatty fish, that type of thing. But you can also get it from microalgae, which is basically marine algae. So let's talk about exactly what that is. You have all this sea vegetation called seaweed. It's a combination of plants and algae. There's three main colors. You have red, brown, and green. The brown is the sea kelp. Sea kelp is the largest. Sea kelp can grow basically 150 feet, and it's grown only in salt water, not in lakes or ponds. It's grown on rocky coastlines, and there's no roots in sea kelp like you would normally see in a plant that's on soil. It has something called holdfasts, and it's sort of a structure at the bottom of the plant that just attaches onto rocks, so it's in a fixed state, but there's no roots. So it's going to get its nutrition through the leaf as well as the sun. It's called photosynthesis. And depending on how deep the sea vegetation is from the surface of the ocean will determine the color of the seaweed. What's very unique about marine algae is it's loaded with DHA and EPA. These are omega-3 fatty acids. And they don't even have to be converted like walnuts, for example, have ALA that has to be converted to EPA and DHA. Well, you have active DHA and EPA directly in marine algae. You also have taurine, which is great for the cardiovascular system, the central nervous system, the retina, different parts of the nervous system, and it's hepatoprotective. It's good for the liver. Now, marine algae is rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, the precursor, not retinol, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B9, that's biotin, vitamin C, vitamin E, tons of potassium, and tons of magnesium. And it has a lot of phytonutrients, like carotenoids. The biggest one, which is very, very powerful, called astaxanthin. This is probably one of the most powerful antioxidants. Some people get this one as a concentrate in a supplement, but it's anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer. So if you wanted a vegan source of DHA, this might be a good option. They're even using this as a formula for premature infants. So it's quite powerful, especially if you understand the importance of DHA and EPA, which a lot of people are deficient in, especially infants and children. Before you go, if you have a question about a product, or you're new to keto and you want to know how to begin keto, or you're on keto and you need a debug because it's not going as smooth, I have a keto consultant standing by to help you. This is just for the people in the US. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to answer everyone's call, but I put the number down below so you can call and get some help.